Action Mashaka Noto Kamala, thank you very much for joining me on Nkanelo Gingirikani with me like as doors. Kitwele Kilinyora. The good Kemilava who didn't embala. He shoves a hint on no Kamaraj. Landelan is Lani, Imbodo Kumashavana, Sapotani, Eudia, Vepal Engineering Night, Comedy Show, Melaka Gianni. Every year is December, the 27 or 26 somewhere there. Check the date. What's about get this debit? Korokoro guys. Get me. What's about get this debit? Korokoro. Yeah. So mara sapotan maraji. Nati uditaye na mishava man. 350 from 350. And valota no go share no kum support and skatle move this. Yan. I born kume suppose komele ini album ene njenga tour trouble Leyi Kulu. Nilaba ku itlanga similar nga to Makula Mbhinyi. Makula Mbhinyi. Hey ba. Makula Mbhinyi. Makula Mbhinyi.
Hey Makula Mbhinyi. Hey. Wani bona pa. Wathanya sunga mai.
Danyo kuleriana. So hey. Atuni kahle ihle sungula futhi. Kuritwa kukhumela yini. Ngabazi siwi lawa. Atuni kahle.
Wani bona pa. Wathanya sunga mai. Ina wana wanga.
Heba. Makula Mbhinyi kuvurwa munhu la Makula Mbhinyi. Okay, ngiseleni Makula Mbhinyi. Okay, on Ojoro Street munoko. Ina vana na nsati lo Makula Mbhinyi. Tivuta nkumba. Mr. Fosse mta bisa vanhu n'wina na. He vana. Guys, village chagova. This is the problem with Mr. Post. This is the problem with Mr. Post. Kulok Mr. Post the beefer. Play beef leswan before moon lawan man. Guys, do you want me to tell you before man? I'm not ready for this. Mr. Post the beefer is personal ngopfu. Guys, why? Why, Mr. Post? Why are you doing this, Mr. Post? Why Makula Mbhinyi? Could have picture where some circulator la one. Yeah, the other artist, you know. I can't take a picture now, no one so. I feel like Makula Mbhinyi mavula Mbhinyi, like I'm Mbhinyi kom lo one. Mbhinyi lo one. Ah yeah. Nkanelo Gingirikani tsika. I can't. Very man, Prince Mavaso is a me dumango for Makubashi, commentator, the other artist, you know, and Chilejo Angasubla la Prince Mavasa is exactly less Mr. Post Angasimbelinla. Who is copying who? Hey, oh, Tola. Yeah, so some Mr. Post guys. Mr. Post is using that status, that comment in the song. Prince Mavasa. Go on Facebook and check Prince Mavasa. Guys, mayuta bit lewa gwifamba yine. Yona lewa bit le. Nitlangisimero again. Let me play this song again. Rapapila. Mr. Ben Mangan ra bifa Mr. Post. Look, blah blah. Nerkumile papla ra wen. The same beat. the same beat yo leyo hatlisela la yo slower down yan the fun thing ku beat le ayenhle hi Prince Rangani and na la ku endla Prince Rangani na ba Brajo na ba Mambawulele vanhu va ka TS hinkwavo let me take it from here. They are using the same beat. Got this song Makula Mbhinyi. It's the same beat. Yingisela Simeruan. It's the same beat. They're using the same beat. Nire komile papela rawe Nire hlaile papela rawe Maswito Mosken same beat, it's the same beat La one roba a little slower, you know, but it's the same beat. It's how ka muni before I beat yena Hai Evan very manderere very it's against that kahle manderere iman manderere guys yo Mr. Posita ibisa vanhu guys Mr. Posita ibisa vanhu wena hey man tingeni letwani yo manderere ku tola ku ri vito ra ku semula munhu leriwa vito ri ku tola nga ri vito ro semula leri nga ri ku semuriwa munhu lawa maybe vito ra vuhlangi something like that nga ri ku semuriwa munhu ndawu leyi Mr. Poster busy vanhu na ku tirhisa mavito ya manderere mhaka ya xitola nghwadla you know xitola emulungu va ka hina a swi kahle leswiwani this is too personal he vana swilo leswiwani semestaro hi Prince Mabasa swilo leswiwani ka comment yin'wani and Mr. Post is using that in the song leswaku i movha lowu nga khandziwa hi vaakatiko kumbexani movha wa second hand wu khandziwe khale maybe it's a third hand hi Mr. Post no this is too much va hete khale va fana va muganga I can't I thought I was gonna talk about the fact that the beat is the same. Nirikumile papela rawe Nirihlayile papela rawe Nirihlayile papela rawe Nima wako Nawe ntima wako. This is the same beat. But again Mr. Post is using this song to beef like that. Yo guys, Mr. Post ita ibisa vanhu la handle. I'll repeat the same thing. No I can't. Mina mele tantingeni. Tantingeni letwa guys. Mina hinda guys. I'm sorry guys, but that kombela kale receive nkombela ku hinda. Le love mina le ro receive. Love mina bit kombela ku hinda. Nkombela ku yeka the next track. Kombela ku hina nguta receive ta ku cause Makula Mbhinyi mi ra ndlule le ro ri too personal. Man. Mr. Post no. Mr. Post no. Oh, wait. Mr. Post, wait. It's too much. This is too much beef, man. You are too personal. Mr. Post is too personal. No. Okay, guys. Nkombela ngena ka tukutuku. Hi, nkombela karu isin guys. Ta bona karlo taku ka the next video. I can start salute bigatitubel. I can't do this. No ways. I can't.